I'm Marilyn and I work for street maintenance for the city of Long Beach. I started straight out of high school going into the Conservation Corps. It was a tremendous help, especially because I didn't have the tools necessary, and we work side and side with the city. So it was a great opportunity for me to learn exactly what I would be doing in my future job, and that's where I am now. Going to the Corps, I heard about it on Instagram. I didn't have a summer job and I was looking for something fun to do, and I thought that would be something great to get connections and get to know new people. And I'm already been here for 5 years. So the next step for me is to become a supervisor, but definitely the Conservation Corps has helped me be in this position that I am today, and it was a great opportunity. They're still paying for my tuition. I'm going to school to Long Beach City College to get my public administration so I could become a supervisor, and they're also helping me pay for my Class A license. So that's something that is very encouraging to me, that they're still helping even though I'm not working for them. So a lot of our work, we had to inspect our job site before the truck gets here. So when the truck gets here, we know exactly where to put them, so we can lay down the asphalt. We usually use school. We're in alleys or in really bad places where the hole is super deep, above 6 feet, so it's gonna last longer. It's really heavy, heavier than your average asphalt, which is usually sheet. This one's super hard to push, 30 to 40 pounds per shovel.
Shauna Forrest, Public Works Street Maintenance Supervisor. Marilyn is a maintenance worker, but she has an opportunity to promote, eventually become an equipment operator. There's just steps to it. Hopefully we'll get some more people from CCOB to join us.
Having someone like Marilyn on the crew is a huge asset. We really appreciate that. So she really adds to the team tremendously.